Okay, let's get into this. We're doing a deep dive on the antelope.
Right.
And it's not, just one animal. It's a huge family, something like over 90 different species.
90 specialized bovids, to be precise.
So our mission today is to really unpack the sources and figure out how they represent, well, what some call the absolute peak of evolutionary speed and endurance.
And it really is a blend. You have this incredibly specialized biology on one hand, and then you have this tactical behavior on the other. It's how they outrun, outjump, and just plain outlast predators.
Okay, let's start with the most obvious one, speed. We all know the cheetah, but the sources point to the pronghorn, which is a close relative,
The second fastest land animal, yeah.
hitting 60 miles per hour. But the key thing, and what really stands out, isn't the top speed, it's the endurance.
Exactly. A cheetah is a drag racer. It's all burst. The antelope is a marathon runner. It can hold that incredible speed for miles.
Which is how it ultimately survives.
It's stamina over pure power, and that idea extends to their intelligence, their tactical thinking.
You mean like the springboks pronking?
Yes, that famous jump. It leaps, 6 feet straight up in the air with these stiff little legs?
It looks almost playful, but it's not.
Not at all. It's a message. It's a very direct, very honest signal to a predator that says, look how fit I am. Don't even bother chasing me. It's a bad investment for you.
That seems like it would burn so much energy, though. Is it a bluff?
No, that's the thing. It can't be a bluff. It's an honest signal of fitness, and they can pull it off because of the hardware they're working with.
You're talking about the hooves.
The hooves, they're cloven, so they have a really hard outer shell, but the pad in the center is soft and grippy.
Like a high-performance tire.
That's a perfect analogy. The hard shell for durability, the soft core for traction and shock absorption, essential for landing those big jumps on any terrain.
So their bodies are built for the chase, but survival really starts before anyone even starts running, right? With their senses.
Absolutely. Their first line of defense is always just seeing the threat before it gets close.
And that's about the eye placement.
Right. The eyes are on the sides of the head. It gives them this almost panoramic vision, nearly 360 degrees.
So they can see something creeping up from behind without even turning their head.
They live in a state of constant situational awareness. It's incredible.
And this adaptation gets even more extreme when you look at certain species, like the oryx in the desert. The sources mention its cooling system.
Oh, it's a masterpiece of biological engineering.
It's like a car radiator, but in its head.
That's basically it. It's a network of tiny blood vessels right in the nasal passages. It cools the blood down just before it reaches the brain.
Wow.
It's called the rate mirabile, and it's the reason an oryx can function in temperatures that would, frankly, kill most other animals.
And then there are the horns. They're not like deer antlers. They're permanent.
Permanent, yes. Keratin over a solid bone core. And while they look like weapons for predators...
They're mostly for each other, right?
Almost entirely. It's for dominance, for sorting out the hierarchy within the herd. It's ritualized sparring that actually prevents fatal fights.
So it's a social tool that keeps the whole defensive unit working together.
Precisely. The most dangerous weapon they have is for internal politics, not for lions.
Okay, moving beyond the physical. Some of the hidden adaptations are what really got me. The addax, for instance.
The water-independent species.
It never needs to drink. How is that even possible?
It's all about efficiency. It gets every single drop of moisture it needs from the plants it eats. It's a master of internal water conservation.
And they don't just see their world, they map it with scent.
The scent map, yeah. They have these preorbital glands, little slits near their eyes.
And they use them to mark territory.
They secrete this waxy stuff onto bushes and twigs. It creates a kind of scent-based GPS for the whole herd, defining boundaries and paths.
And if, after all that, a predator is actually spotted,
Then the alarm goes up.
the barking alarm.
Yes, it's a loud, sharp bark or a whistle. It's not just a cry of fear, it's a specific signal that tells the entire savannah exactly what's happening in an instant. It turns one animal's discovery into community-wide intelligence.
So when you put it all together,
Yeah.
it's this synergy. You have the physical hardware, like the cooling system and the vision.
Combined with this collective intelligent behavior, the pronking, the scent maps, the
Right.
alarms.
It's the ultimate package for survival.
It really is a masterclass in adaptation.
Which leaves me with this one last thought for you to take away. Consider the wildebeest, which is a type of antelope. Their great migration is 1,000 miles long,
An incredible journey.
and it relies on what the sources call swarm intelligence. thousands of them moving as one giant, self-organizing unit.
A single organism, almost.
So what can we learn about coordination and defense, maybe even in our own complex systems, from watching thousands of individuals move as one? Something to think about.